Hey everyone, welcome to the CB Side Hustle channel with me, Chris Brunson. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to get started with affiliate marketing in 2022 the right way. I'll be showing you the exact steps to set up your business the right way so that you can start seeing commissions as soon as possible. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because I'm going to be showing you a lot more videos on how to make money online. In this video, I'll be showing you one of my biggest affiliate income sources that is a realistic example of what you can expect to earn as a complete beginner. And as a bonus for anyone that stays to the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you the exact system that allowed me to achieve the results that I'm going to show you in this video. So make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to give you my exact business that allowed me to achieve thousands this month, to copy it and use it for your own business. Alright, let's get started. Before I even say a word, I know some of you are probably wondering what even is affiliate marketing. So before I continue, it's important you understand this because if you don't, the rest of this video isn't going to make any sense to you. So affiliate marketing is a process where you, the affiliate, promotes another company's products or goods and gets a commission if anyone buys through you or because of you. Here's a personal pro tip. I highly suggest you pick a high ticket or a high value affiliate partner. If you're not sure what that means, don't worry, just make sure you stay to the end of the video because I'm going to give you my exact affiliate partner that you can sign up for and promote yourself. So make sure you stay to the end because you're not going to want to miss that piece of info. Okay, so now that you know what affiliate marketing actually is, let's talk strategy and how you can make money online with affiliate marketing. To do that, I'm going to bring up a simple diagram and map it all out for you. Okay, so on this diagram, you can see the exact strategy I use to make money online with affiliate marketing. This whole thing here is called the funnel. The purpose of a funnel is to move people through these pages to get to our desired action, which in this case, our desired action is to purchase our affiliate product. The starting point for this funnel is free traffic, such as TikTok. TikTok is the fuel that makes this entire strategy work. I use TikTok to drive potential customers, also known as traffic, to my affiliate products, and it costs me absolutely nothing to do this. Like I said, I like to start with a free traffic source, in this case is TikTok. Then send the potential customer or traffic to the opt-in page. Then they'll be moved over to the bridge page, and finally to the affiliate product sales page. If someone decides to buy your product here, that is when you get the commission. But the real power in this strategy is actually right down here in the email list or email sequence. This automated email sequence along with the funnel is where you will maximize your profits to the highest point. And remember too, if you stay into the end of this video, I'm going to give you all of this to copy, my exact funnel and pre-written emails to use. So when someone opts in here, they'll be automatically added to my email sequence. The emails will continually promote my affiliate products for me and provide additional value on autopilot. This is the part that allows affiliate marketers to earn a ton of money passively. It's because your emails and your funnel work together to promote your products 24/7 for you. So in this case, the affiliate product that I'm promoting is the Legendary Marketer 15-Day Challenge. I'll talk more about that in a sec. The emails in my email sequence will follow up with everyone that opts in from my opt-in page, and then provide additional info on how to build a profitable online business. And I just wanted to say that I've actually taken the 15-Day Challenge training program myself and know that it's a top-tier training program and actually does teach beginners how to build a hugely profitable business online. And I can confirm that it is a high-quality training program. This is why I purchase all of the products that I promote. Then I actually know if they are quality product and if I could promote it and how to promote it to the people in my funnel. Okay, so back to the framework. Let's just recap. We sent our free traffic to our opt-in page, and then they're sent to our bridge page, and then they are sent to our affiliate product sales page. And to maximize our profits, anyone that opts in here is added to our automatic email sequence, which follows up with additional value about our affiliate product, which also sends them back to our affiliate product. The best thing about a funnel is that all of this is done on autopilot. Our job as affiliate marketers is just to drive traffic, and then our funnel and automated email sequences does all of the work for us, which generates us completely passive income over and over and over again. Now, the hardest part about affiliate marketing isn't even driving the traffic. It's setting all of this up. It's setting up that funnel on the back end and creating the email sequences, everything like that. But like I said in the beginning of the video, if you stick to the end, I'm going to give you this entire thing already pre-built. I'll give you my entire funnel, all of the emails in my email sequence exactly, and all you'll have to do is plug it into your account. Alright, now I'm going to show you a live example of how this all comes together and actually works. Let's take a look. Here you'll see my actual TikTok account that I use to drive traffic. This is the best traffic source, and that is why TikTok is so great. If you post consistently, you will see major growth in a short amount of time. And even better, you're going to drive traffic straight to your affiliate links. And the best part of it all is that it's completely free to do this and it costs you nothing. So in each post, I'm adding value and showing people how it's possible to make money online and piquing their interest on the possibilities of making money online. And what this does is drive people to click on my profile link, which you cannot see because I'm on my own account on my computer, but it is right here. Because they want to learn how I'm able to do what I'm showing them in all of these videos. Now anytime anyone clicks the link right here in my profile, it takes them to, yep, you guessed it, the landing page in my funnel. Now when they click this button right here, it'll take them to this form where they're going to fill out their name and email. This is called an opt-in form. And when they click here, they're automatically added to my email sequence and it'll send them that first email really quickly. From there, I move on to my bridge page and touch on pin points using simple psychology to move them on to the next page. There's no shipping products, no customers to follow up on, none of that. This is why I love affiliate marketing so much. It's because with the right automated funnel and email sequence, your earnings build up very quickly passively with minimal effort. Okay, I promised you at the beginning of the video that I'd show you one very realistic example of just one of the affiliate partners I'm working with right now. And as you can see right here, these are the current commissions I've seen over the past 7 days with this one affiliate partner. All of this is doable even as a beginner. If you follow the steps that I showed you in this video, you can get commissions just like this. Okay, let's do a brief recap of what we talked about today. Our job as affiliate marketers is to send people to our opt-in page, which then sends them to the bridge page, which then sends them to the affiliate product page. And all of that is compounded by our follow-up email sequence. I promise that if you stayed until the end of the video, I'd give you the exact pre-built business that I'm using right now. So here's what I'm going to give you. My exact emails pre-written for you that you can add to your email sequence, and all you'll have to do is press a button to turn it on. So if that sounds like something that you want, all you have to do is go down to the description and hit the clone my business link, and everything will be waiting for you right there. So click the link in the description, head to my website, and you'll get everything I just mentioned completely for free to build for your own business. I also mentioned that it'd give you access to the exact affiliate product that I'm promoting right now, giving me hundreds of commissions every single day. So the affiliate partner that I'm working with right now that I actually mentioned earlier in this video is the 15-day challenge with Legendary Marketer. So if you want to promote this product like I do, the link is down in the description. All you have to do is click take challenge and you'll be automatically approved as an affiliate partner with Legendary Marketer. So that actually brings us to the end of this tutorial. In this video, I showed you my exact strategy to promote affiliate marketing in 2022 that actually works. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe because I'll be posting more videos like this showing you how to make money online.